Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today in this video lecture we will discuss about chapter 4, that is nervous system. In the previous lectures we had discussed a lot about nervous system. What a nervous system is, different parts of the nervous system like brain, nerves and spinal cord. Today we will discuss about the sense organs. So class, the organs which help us to know about the outside environment is known as sense organs, or you can say the organ which help us to know about the outside world around us is our sense organs. So there are 5 sense organs in our body. That is, first and the most important is eyes, then comes our ears, then comes our nose, then comes our tongue, and then comes skin. So these are the 5 sense organs which we use to know about the outside world. Means they send signal to the brain and brain understood about the outside world. So let's discuss one by one. So first of all, our eyes. Our eyes are the most important sense organ for us. With the help of our eyes we are able to see the outside world. So the first part, that is the colored circle in the eye, is the iris. The colored circle in the eye is the iris. Then the black spot in the eye is the pupil. The black spot in the eye at the center of the eye is pupil. Light enters through iris in our eyes. Then what happened? The nerve cells in the eye send messages to the brain by the help of optic nerve. Then brain reads these signals and enables us to see any object. The front part of the eye is protected by a transparent covering called cornea. The front part of the eye is protected by a transparent covering called cornea. And also eyelids and eyelashes also protect our eyes. They keep out dust and dirt. Means the front part of the eye, eyelashes and eyelids, they don't allow dust and dirt to enter our eyes. So these are the different part of the eyes which help us to observe things, which help us to see. So among them the iris was there, pupil was there, then comes the cornea, optic nerve was there. So these all different parts of the eyes which help us to see the beautiful world. The next important organ is our ears. By the help of ears we hear different types of sounds. So the sound waves enter our ear by the help of this part, outside part, and it passes through middle and inner ear and reach our brain. Our ears also help us to maintain the balance of our body. The nerve endings in the inner ear observe the waves and send it to the brain and again receive the signal from the brain and then tell us, or then we are able to understand the sound, what type of sound it is. The next comes our nose. So we smell different type of scents, or you can say the smell of things. With the help of nose we are able to understand. In the upper part of our nose there are nerve endings are there, and they observe this, and they by the help of this nerve endings they send message to the brain and brain tells us what type of smell it is. When we are suffering from cold and cough, when our nose is blocked, we are not able to smell anything. So we are not able to taste the food. The taste of food also gone. So in this way we are able to understand that our nose, that is the property of smell, and taste is also related to each other. So we enjoy the food or the taste of food with the help of smell also. Now comes the next important part, that is tongue. Tongues have ear endings on its surface, that is called taste buds. With the help of these taste buds, we are able to enjoy the different type of tastes like sweet, sour, bitter. This type of taste we enjoy by the help of taste buds. And as we know, tongue also help us in speaking. The next important and the last sense organ is our skin. So we feel different type of things with the help of skin. That anything is hot or cold, we are able to get the feeling by the help of skin. Now the skin has the nerve endings. These nerve endings send the message to the brain, and then brain again send back the message to the nerve endings, and we are able to feel the thing. In at some places in our skin have very sensitive nerve endings, or you can say there are more nerve endings are there, and that part is very sensitive, like our fingertips. This part is very sensitive. If we touch anything with these parts, we feel it very fast. So these parts are very sensitive. So this is how skin help us to feel different type of things. I hope you all are able to understand this topic called sense organs very well. If any problem, ask me. I will help you, class. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you.